ল ব্যারেট রেজিস্টার্ড আইনি প্রতিষ্ঠান। আমরা সুপ্রিম কোর্ট, হাইকোর্ট, জেলা কোর্ট, ক্রেতা সুরক্ষা আদালত প্রভৃতি কোর্টে যে কোনো আইনি সমস্যায় আপনাদের পাশে সর্বদা। ল ব্যারেট ল ফার্মের তরফ থেকে আজকে আমরা সিটিজেনশিপ নাগরিকত্বের উপরে যে ভিডিওটা করছি এটি তার তৃতীয় পর্ব। এর আগে প্রথম আর দ্বিতীয় পর্ব হয়েছে, তাই আপনাদের কাছে অনুরোধ আগে প্রথম ও দ্বিতীয় পর্বটাও দেখবেন এবং এই তৃতীয় পর্বটা পুরোটা দেখবেন, তাহলে আপনাদের বুঝতে অনেক সুবিধা হবে নাগরিকত্ব বা সিটিজেনশিপ কি। Indian citizenship. How can I get Indian citizenship? Indian citizenship can be acquired by birth, descent, registration, and naturalization. The condition and procedure for acquisition of Indian citizenship is as per the provision of the Citizenship Act 1955. Citizenship of India by naturalization can be acquired by a foreigner, not illegal migrant, who is ordinarily resident in India for 12 years. Throughout the period of 12 months immediately preceding the date of application and for 11 years in the aggregate in the 14 years preceding the 12 months, and other qualifications as prescribed as specified in third schedule to the Act. What are the types of citizenship in India? According to the Ministry of Home Affairs, there are 4 ways in which Indian citizenship can be acquired: by birth, descent, registration, and naturalization. The provisions are listed under section 3, 4, 5.1 and 5.4 of the Citizenship Act 1955. Does India allow dual citizenship? The Constitution of India does not allow holding Indian citizenship and citizenship of a foreign country simultaneously. Based on the recommendation of the High-Level Committee on Indian Diaspora, and Government of India decided to grant Overseas Citizenship of India, that is OCI. Is NRC bill passed in India? The National Register of Citizens, that is NRC, is a register of all Indian citizens whose creation is mandated by the 2003 amendment of the Citizenship Act 1955. Its purpose is to document all the legal citizens of India so that the legal immigrants can be identified and deported. The National Register of Citizens, that is NRC, is a register containing names of all genuine Indian citizens. What is NRC rules? The National Register of Citizens, that is NRC, is a register of all Indian citizens whose creation is mandated by the 2003 amendment of the Citizenship Act 1955. Its purpose is to document all the legal citizens of India so that the illegal immigrants can be identified and deported. What are NRC documents? Such documents shall have to be legally acceptable document which clearly proves such relationship. Birth certificate or land documents or board university certificate or bank, LIC, post office records or circle officer, GP secretary certificate in case of married woman or electoral roll. Or what are the benefit of NRC? What are the benefit being registered in the NRC? The NRC will form the basis for the detection of illegal migrants. Inclusion will protect against harassment and a ticket to enjoying all the constitutional rights and safeguards and the benefits of government schemes. Who are eligible for NRC? All Indian citizens, including their children and descendants who have moved to Assam post 24th March 1971, would be eligible for inclusion in the updated NRC on adducing satisfactory proof of residence in any part of the country outside Assam as on 24th March 1971. Why was NRC 24th March 1971? Synopsis. In Assam, the Supreme Court mandated and monitored exercise caused widespread disruption. In the state, one first had to produce documentary proof issued before March 24, 1971, like the 1951 NRC or electoral rolls up to March 24, 1971, to prove that one's ancestors were residing in India before that date. What will happen after NRC? After receiving the rejection notice from NRC, the excluded person has to appeal before the tribunal within the 120-day window. The process has not started yet. Until now, detention centers in Assam operated out of jail in Gwalpara, Tezpur, Jorhat, Dibrugarh, Silchar and Kokrajhar. What are the disadvantages of NRC? Drawbacks of NRC. Even the family of a former President of India is not mentioned on the list. It will be very difficult to physically verify all the members who are not on the list. Deportation and detention camps are not good option for a democratic country like India. How many countries have NRC in world? Today we work in both new and protected crises across 35 countries. NRC works to protect the rights of displaced and vulnerable persons during crisis. We specialize in 6 areas: food security, education, shelter, legal assistance, camp management and water, sanitation and hygiene. থ্যাংকিং ইউ অল। ল বারোটের তরফ থেকে আজকে যে সিটিজেনশিপ নাগরিকত্ব বিষয়ে যে আলোচনা করা হলো, এটা ছিল শেষ পর্ব, তৃতীয় পর্ব। পুরো ভিডিওটা দেখার জন্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগলে লাইক করবেন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন চ্যানেলটা এবং প্রচুর শেয়ার করবেন যাতে করে অন্যান্য দেখে উপকৃত হয়। এই বিষয়ে কারো কিছু জানার থাকলে কি অন্য বিষয় সম্পর্কে জানার থাকলে অবশ্যই কমেন্ট বক্সে কমেন্ট করবেন। ধন্যবাদ।